And first up, details of the deadly metro pillar tragedy in Mumbai, where one person has been confirmed dead in this incident, three others who suffered grievous injuries. Extremely unfortunate to what has happened and how civic tragedy has claimed that life after a metro pillar fell right there on an auto rickshaw first that completely was crushed under the weight of that metro pillar, and even a car that was damaged. One person who's been confirmed dead and three others in this incident who've suffered serious injuries. This happened as part of the Mulund There construction, where at least three people have been injured. Let me take this to my colleague Dipesh, joining us on the broadcast with further details of how it happened, whether there were any signals in the past or any complaint that had come about to say that such a mishap could occur and it was neglected. And with regards to the three people who are injured, how are they doing?
So, definitely a very tragic incident which took place in the Mulund, and right now we are at the hospital where the treatment who are injured, the treatment on them is going on. Out of which one is critical and two are normal. But the one Ramdhin Yadav, who was from UP and he came to Mumbai just to visit his relatives, is dead. Right now we have with us local MLA Meher Kotecha, who has complained previously MMRDA several times about the work which was going on here, but then also a negligence, due to the negligence of the MMRDA, today's incidents happened, and we could say that we have Meher Kotecha with sir. Sir, you have complained several times to the authorities, but in spite of that, this incident took place. Whom will you blame?
I am shocked when I learned 5 minutes back when I met the engineers of MMRDA that he is the same contractor wherein I had red flagged all the lapses in his work 1.5 months back. Myself, the engineers of MMRDA and officers of T Ward had conducted a joint visit on the entire 2-kilometer stretch of LBS road, and we had red flagged all the lapses and violations of his work. I had given more than 50 photographs, GIS, GPS tagged to the chief of MMRDA, Sanjay Mukherjee, in writing, and in my letter I had mentioned all these lapses, and I had also demanded that this contractor be terminated. I am shocked when I understood 5 minutes back that this scope of work was also with that same very contractor whose irresponsibility and lapses were red flagged almost 1.5-2 months back. I am going to take this issue very strongly, and now when I asked the engineers of MMRDA that what action you had taken on my request and all the proofs that I had given, they were silent, speechless. Our Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis ji has already ordered a detailed investigation of this entire incident, and he has also assured that all those officers, contractors, engineers who are found guilty and irresponsible in this investigation, an FIR will be filed on them, they will be sent to jail, and officers of MMRDA, whoever are responsible, they will be terminated from their jobs.
Today also, sir, you expressed your anger as well. Many no MMRDA official was present after the 3 hours also of the incident. No MMRDA official was there.
No, unfortunately, this incident happened at around 12 in the afternoon, and MMRDA chief engineer and executive engineers just arrived now, that is around 3:20, 3:25 p.m. after 3.5 hours.
Sir, what action would be taken? We spoke to the cops as well. They said that they will going to register an FIR and they will going to conduct the investigation as well. What action will be taken by the government?
Our chief minister has very clearly said strongest action will be taken. Whoever found guilty in the investigation report, MMRD officials, if they found guilty, they will be terminated and be put behind bars.
Sir, what is the situation of the persons who are critical and and have you spoken to the family of the person who deceased?
Yeah, so basically there were 4 people. 3 were from the same family traveling in the rickshaw, attending a wedding in their family. So one of them, Shri Ramdin Yadav, Unfortunately, he's expired. Two other family members are being treated in ICU. They have multiple fractures in their body, and the doctors' team are doing their utmost. Efforts have been taken to ensure that they stabilize soon. The fourth lady, who is also resident of Mulund, she has minor scratches. In next half an hour, she will be discharged.
So you spoke to MMRD Chief Mukherjee sir as well. What he told you exactly? He's out of India, but what he told you?
No, he is very much in India, but he has some medical reasons for which he is not in Mumbai. But he expressed his shock when I told him that till 3:15, not a single MMRDA representative was here. He has assured me three things. One, he will have a detailed third-party audit done. Second, he will immediately speak to his additional commissioner MMRDA and ask him to visit the site. And third, I also told him that he is the same contractor which I had red flagged. He has assured me that he would conduct a detailed inquiry on my letter given and why action was not taken against this contractor.
Sir, will MMRDA supervise its other projects, safety concern or any other issues?
See, safety concern, supervision is all job of MMRDA officials. Unfortunately, I spoke to the chief safety officer, and he said that prima facie, he believes that this entire incident happened, that parapet wall came down due to a very simple error of the laborer. I asked him categorically that when an uneducated laborer is doing such a critical job, is there a provision in your safety norms and standard operating procedures that a supervisor has to be there when these kind of critical jobs are being executed? He said yes, but unfortunately when this work was going on, there was no supervisor from contractor available there.
Yes, so Isha, so definitely this is the big concern where the job was only done by the labor and there was not a single supervisor or a specialist person who can supervise this work was done by the labor. So Isha,
Oh yes, absolutely, Dipesh, and this just signals that lapses at every level and how we have to wait for a life loss to actually take cognizance of it. This is a tragic mishap that has occurred. A section of an under-construction metro pillar that collapsed in Mumbai's Mulund, an auto rickshaw that was completely crushed beneath the debris, part of the car that was also crushed under the concrete segment. The deceased and the injured were reportedly passengers in the auto rickshaw. Fire brigade personnel, police teams, metro staff, ward officials and 108 ambulance service personnel rushed to the spot and launched rescue operations. BMC Mayor Ritu Tavre has admitted that there was negligence on part of the authorities as parapet segment had been placed yesterday and the road was not barricaded.
लापरवाही बहुत बड़ी है। यहाँ पे एमएमआरडी का काम है। यहाँ पे जो प्रशासन के लोग हैं और जिसको भी ये कॉन्ट्रैक्ट दिया है उसने किस तरह का काम किया है। अगर मुझे मैडम के पास से पता चला है कि कल ही पैराफिट वॉल यहाँ पे फिटिंग की है तो उसको बैरिकेड्स की सुरक्षितता, उसकी सेफ्टी, उसका जो नॉर्म्स है उन्होंने वो फॉलो किया है या नहीं। अगर वो नहीं फॉलो नहीं किया या किया तो नीचे से वाहतूक जा रही है, गाड़ियाँ जा रही है तो उनको रुकाना चाहिए था उतने टाइम के लिए।